In this video, I'll detail how to make X account public. So if you don't want to privatize your X account and you want your posts, videos, reaction, and follower to see all your activities in the community, then you can easily make your X account public. So if at the end of this video, you found this video fun informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is open the X app on your device. Then click on your profile icon at the top left. Locate settings and support and click on that. Then click on settings and privacy. Once you click on that, under settings, you want to scroll down and locate privacy and safety. Turn on that. Then while on this space, look for audience and tagging and then click on it. Once you can see audience and tagging, then locate protect your post. If protect your post is enabled, that shows your X account is private. Now to make the X account public, just turn this off. Then that's it. Then you can just come back to photo tagging and turn on photo tagging. So that's all you need to do. And then your X account will become public again. So that's how you can easily make your X account public. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.